Hi my dear students, welcome to the another session of social science. I am Deepa here with a new block, that is block 7, pollution in the environment. So in this block you are going to learn different type of pollution. There are many pollutions are there. These pollutions pollute environment. In Kannada we call it Parisara Malinya. Environment means Parisara. Pollution, Malinya. So how these pollutions affect on the environment? Firstly, we are going to learn, that is in the unit 1, water pollution. So as you already know, water is very important natural resource, because water we are getting from the nature. Water is very important. Can we live without water? No, it's highly impossible to live without water. And also it is very important to drink clean water. We cannot drink dirty water or polluted water. By drinking polluted water, we may get ill or we may face many diseases. So that it's very important to drink clean water. So today in this unit we are going to learn how this water get polluted. So main reason for water pollution is human being, because human being is making water dirty. It means here pollution means making dirty. ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು, ಅದನ್ನು ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡರ್ಟಿ. How human being make water dirty? So there are many different way human is making this water dirty or water pollution. So around you would have observed, when you visit any river to watch water bodies, river, ponds, canals, you might have seen around your environment. For example, you would have seen many people take bath in the river. Many people take bath in rivers and ponds and in the canals, and also people washes cloth in the canals. So by this way human being make water dirty, or it is one of the way how human being making water pollution. Like that, here there are many causes for water pollution. First cause for water pollution, bathing with soap water and washing clothes in the water bodies. Here water bodies means rivers, canals, ponds, etc. Many other water bodies are there. So here what people do, they bath with the soap and wash clothes with the detergent. Many people take bath in the rivers and also they wash clothes with the detergent or soap. Then what happens? That soap water or detergent water mix with the river water. Then that river water become unfit to drink, because it become polluted. It becomes dirty. Yes, of course, no. When soap water mixes in the drinking water, it becomes unfit to drink. So this is the one way how human is making water pollution. So next one is using pesticides in the fields that get washed into water bodies. Here in the fields, farmers use pesticides. Pesticides means it is a chemical. It is used to kill the insects which is in the crops, because these insects spoil the crops. So to remove that, farmers use, or to kill the insects, farmers use pesticides or chemicals. They spray on the crops. You would have observed in the paddy crops, many farmers use the pesticides. They spray the pesticides or chemical in the field. When this water washed out into ponds or any river, water bodies or rivers, when it mixes into rivers, then that along with that water, pesticide also mixes with the river water. So this is one of the way how water get polluted. When this chemical mixes in the water, of course that water becomes dirty, then it becomes unfit to drink. The next one more cause for water pollution, throwing painted diyas, flowers and statues into water bodies. So many times you would have observed, diyas means ದೀಪಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In the Deepavali festival we use diyas. Many people throw those diyas into water bodies after using. So that also becomes, it makes the water pollution, water make dirty. And also flowers. So dried flowers, after using dried flowers, they throw into rivers or any other water bodies. Next, throwing statues. In Ganesha festival, you would have observed, after festival, last day, what they do? They throw the Ganesha statue into water bodies. So that Ganesha statue will be painted with different colors, and there also they to paint, in the paint they use different chemicals. When it dissolve in the water, ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಗಣೇಶ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರಗೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ದಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀಪಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ದಿಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ and the paint and all mixes with the water. Again this chemical mix with the water. So that this is also one of the reason to get the water pollution, how the water get polluted. So once again, throwing painted diyas, flowers and statues into water bodies. This is also one of the cause. Next cause is releasing waste from factories into water bodies. Many factories, they release waste, whatever waste they are getting in the factories, no, they release it out, and that waste finally mix in the river water. So that there also many chemicals will be there, in that also many chemicals mixed. When that waste come out from the factory, those all waste mixes in the water, there also water get polluted. Again the water become unfit to use, because we are using water for many purpose, for bathing, drinking, washing clothes, for many purpose we are using. So then it become again unfit to use. So the last one more cause for water pollution, that is throwing garbage and discharging sewage into water bodies. Here throwing garbage means waste, whatever you are throwing in the dustbin. So that is called garbage. Many people throw this garbage into water bodies. So, in the canals or rivers they throw this waste. So, this municipality people also comes to collect garbage. That collected garbage, if they throw in the water bodies or if they dump in the water bodies, that mixes in the water and water get polluted. So, one more point here in this only, discharging sewage. It means from the house whatever waste water is there, that mixes in the drainage. After that, the drainage water mixes into the rivers. It joins to the rivers. When it mixes with the river water or any other water bodies, there also water get polluted. So, after that what happens? It becomes dirty or polluted. So, these are the causes for water pollution. Next, what are the effects of this water pollution? What happens by drinking this water pollution, dirty water, or by taking bath with the dirty water? So, because of these, that water get polluted, water becomes dirty. When we use that for drinking purpose or for bathing or for any other reasons, we use for many reasons this water. When we drink this polluted water or dirty water, we may feel ill because many germs will be, that water will be contained many germs. Those germs harms our body, harms our health, so that it leads to cause many diseases like cholera, malaria, cough, skin problems. Like that we get different diseases. So, by drinking or bathing polluted water, we may get skin allergy. Sometimes doctor will be suggesting to drink boiled water. Filter, after filtering we have to boil that water. So, why they tell to boil the water and to drink? Because to kill the bad germs which harms to our body. So that by drinking or bathing this water, polluted water, it harms to our health. So, it may lead to many diseases. So that we get different diseases. Already I told, cholera, malaria, skin problems, stomach problems. Our stomach may upset because of the water only. So that these are the effects. So, this water pollution not only affect the human being, it also affect the animals also which lives on the land, because animals also need water, they also drink water. So that it leads different causes, different health problems for animals also. Not only land animals, even aquatic animals also. It means the animals which live in the water, fish, crocodile, whales, these all live in the water. Many animals live in water, even it affects those animals also. So, many times you would have observed in the television, because of that waste released from the factory, by drinking that polluted water, that waste whatever mixed in the rivers, no, it kills the many fishes. Many times you would have observed in the television, they show many fish comes, died fish comes out from the river. Many aquatic animals, it harms the many aquatic animals. So that this is the water pollution, how it cause and what are the effects of this water pollution. So, in the next unit 2, let us learn another one pollution, that is air pollution. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.